traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. In today's video, I want to share with you some footage from my live trading room, walking you through a very nice trend continuation trade that we had this morning on the Euro Yen. The discussion also talks about building the skill of trading and kind of how it's important, especially if you're going to be a lower time frame trader, to continuously work on your skills so you can get faster and faster at your analysis. There are a lot of moves that are missed. There are a lot of moves that are always going to be missed just because you're a little bit slow. So it really takes being on the top of your game, or in our case, having more eyes on the market to make sure you make the most out of the trading opportunities that exist. Especially this year, there hasn't been that many really high probability opportunities, in my opinion, of course. So you don't want to let those ones pass by. So it's some pretty cool footage. And of course, if you're interested in joining the live room, we have a free trial. Just head over to tradeempower.com, click the product and services tab at the top, and you can scroll down. You can see we have a handful of live rooms all taking place at different hours that you can take part in. Also, for you guys that saw the video that I put out yesterday talking about the pound dollar trend continuation opportunity, I did just put out another video to our syndicate members following up on that trade. Now, we didn't get the execution that I thought we would get in the video. Price just never gave us what we needed at that level. However, price has recently expanded to a new level, and I did fire off a short on that trade. So I'm recording this at different points in time, so I think the syndicate video is probably already out by the time you guys see this up on YouTube. But if for some reason you haven't checked out the website lately, just head over there. There's a new video posted under the Akil's video tab. And of course, you should have an email informing you that a video has been released. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, it's a big favor to me every time you hit that like button, every time you share this on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, wherever you're at. And I appreciate the support, and I hope you guys continue to do it. So until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. Good luck in the markets for the rest of this week. We're looking at a few different trend continuation opportunities here on the Euro Yen. We're looking at a higher time frame trend continuation opportunity on the 4-hour and the 60. And then we're looking at a lower time frame trading opportunity or trend continuation trading opportunity here down on the 15 and the 5. And we're looking at a few things here. We're looking at a pullback in the previous structure, right? Look left. Structure leaves clues. We did have some Fibonacci confluence with that. We took our Fibonacci retracement tool from our swing highs up here at 118.06s down to our swing lows down here at 116.86s. And we found, actually right about here, get down there a little bit lower. We found that price action that came right to a 50% level. We didn't quite touch it, but looks like we came just one pip below it. And then we also added to that confluence by taking our Fibonacci extension tool from our swing low right here to our previous swing high, so our previous outside return right there. And we saw that 1618 Fibonacci inversion. So we're essentially building a case for entry here. We had our 1618, we had our 50%. We also had price action shelving off like that, going into consolidation. And then we look down at our RSI, and what do we have at our RSI? What is this called, guys? Bearish divergence. Now, entered on the lower low, lower close. I have some very tight targets on there. I took targets based off of our 5-minute chart here. Again, already had a chance to roll, right? The fact that we came up and then we started putting in this type of move allowed me to get targets from my original destination, which would have been up here, I think 53, down to about 43. So looking for a move down to these lows, about 117.06s, right, to see if we can, I probably should have done this in the first place, but I didn't. 117.09, let's do that real quick. That's what I get for not being quick with my analysis. 117.09s. So looking for about a 20 pip move down in the structure. That's the start of this consolidation level right here. We also have a 618 Fibonacci retracement there as well. So we'll see if we can move down. I'm also going to keep tracking this on a range bar chart. That'll give me a more aggressive way to trail. We do have to worry about this level right here, I think, 117.19s. That's going to be a level that we may see some resistance at or some support at. And we'll see if we can have a nice little small day trade to start things off. And we're getting some good movement on our euro trade here. We got to continue down a little bit more. This is a good sign that price action is trying to break through this level. Trying to. Doesn't mean it will. Right? Doesn't mean it will, but if we can get a close below here, that's a good sign. Euro yen, you remember, what are we looking for? Bigger picture, right? We're still broken and closed below structure, so there's still the anticipation that we can continue lower. Right? You guys see this? Still the anticipation that we can continue lower to about 116.40s. Follow me, or you guys lost? I'm sorry. Hello? Seriously, are you guys with me, or did I just lose you during that whole last 10 minutes? This is the biggest difference between real trading and again, just back testing. A lot of people want to go straight from back testing to live trading without forward testing or demo trading. And the biggest thing is that in back testing, we have all the time in the world, right? We can see an opportunity, we can look at opportunity, we can go back to an opportunity, and we'll always have time to get it and figure it out and pause and look at this and look at that. In real life, right, whether you're demo trading or you're live trading, guess what we don't have? We don't have that time. Right? Things move fast. And in order to catch these moves, right, good moves don't last. In order to catch these moves, we need to be quick in our analysis. Now, again, it's going to be different if you're a swing trader. And the higher time frames you go, the more time you have, which is, I often advise newer traders to start in a higher time frame. That way you have more time to do it. But especially if you're going to go down to the day trading time frames, you've got to move quick. And the only way you can move quick is if you have really developed your skill as a trader, right? If you've developed and worked and practiced and have gone to the weight room and the court or the pitch so many times that you can take the skill that you've practiced and execute it really fast, really seamlessly, without extra thought in the live markets. And if you can't, you're going to miss these opportunities. And stuff like that takes time. So if you're not, don't get discouraged. Don't be like, oh man, by the time I did my analysis, the move had already gone. It takes time. It takes experience. And that's one of the reasons I'm here in the live room with you guys, to show you this every single day, right? And help you along that path of growing that skill, and just really becoming more consistent and quicker with doing what you're already doing. Because many of you know what we're doing here, right? You've been through the courses, or if you've been in here for a while, that you see what I'm doing. You know you're doing the same thing, but you're just not as quick. And that's one of the main things of the live room, is that support. So again, you got to build the skill, and it takes time. So don't rush. It takes time. All right, so we hit targets on euro yen, which is good. We're gonna see if we can get a continuation down to 116. Where did I have it at? 116.40s, I believe it was. Let me just double check my targets. Gosh, where did I put it here? Hold on. Where's my 127? Come on, 127. Where you at? Oh, sorry about that. I'm on a different screen, so you guys can't see it. I'm sorry. But hold on. All right, 127 is at 116.50s. 161, it's at 116.12. We'll look for a continuation down to 116.53. That'll be a good area for target twos. All right, traders. So I was just about to head out for my run. I want to show you something real quick. If you remember the euro yen trade that we fired off earlier, I'm not sure why we just saw the sudden boost around 11 o'clock hour. Typically, the markets start to slow down. You can see we did come down to that lower level of structure we talked about. I think I had it on, let's bring over this chart right here. We're looking for a continuation down to that 127 mark. We can get this off of here now. Sorry for the noise in the background. We're looking for a continuation down to our 127 extension down here at 116.53. Hey buddy, what's going on? And we hit that. So target 2's removed. Pretty decent trade. We got about 21 pips on the first contract, and the second contract went for about what is this? About another 76. So very close to being a 100 pip trade, and hey, not bad for a day of day trading. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradingpower.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.